A very good morning, children. Today we are going to begin with class 10 after a small break which we got as a summer vacation. And in the last video, I had spoken to you about how to write the answers for your board according to the board. Then, what is the way of making making the projects, which is so important. Children, I hope you are aware of it, and we have been telling it from class 9 itself that in board you have the project which is of 20 marks. You need to prepare 3 projects. In the assignment, the dates, everything is being properly specified, and the cover of your project should be coffee brown, which I had explained you in detail how to make your projects, what are the things required. So I would strictly want each one of you to adhere to whatever instructions have been given to you while making the project, so that you can fetch full marks in that, or the maximum marks out of it, which will help to increase your percentage, right? And based on this only, because commercial marks only, you get also the further admission, because this is your main core subject. Okay. And before the videos of your copy, how to write answers and project, the last chapter we did was of chapter 11, recruitment, selection and training, right? Let me recapitulate whatever we did. In that class we had I had spoken about the meaning of recruitment. That is, what is recruitment? That is to identify the sources of the required staff and contacting the sources to attract the sufficient number of candidates, isn't it, for the recruitment process. Okay. Then assessing the suitable of the different sources, choosing it from them, then contacting them. Okay. And then the different types of sources which we did was internal recruitment and external recruitment. Internal recruitment, how is it done? Through promotions and transfers, isn't it? The person who is capable of the post gets the promotion, and he also, if there is a shortage of some person in one of the branches in one city or the other, they are transferred to the other place accordingly, isn't it, to fill the vacancy. This is there. And external recruitment is done through advertisement, through usually your newspapers which is there. Okay. And then the employment exchange, for especially for government jobs. Placement agencies are there. You get all types of jobs, you get all the types of candidates required. Okay. Then you have campus interviews in colleges, which I had explained to you about it, right? And then recommendation, many people recommend their own people, those are already working, their relatives in the organization. And casually callers, those who call up and ask for if there is any vacancy. In the gate only, they give the office gate, they give their resumes and go. Okay, so these are the different types of internal external recruitment which we did. Now in today's class we'll be talking about the meaning of selection and the steps of selection, and the types of selection tests which you have, and how you go about the selection procedure. Okay. And in the next video I'll be explaining you about recruitment and selection, the differences. Okay. How do they differ, and the types of selection tests which you have, these two topics. And in this video I'll be explaining about the meaning of selection and steps of selection. Now, what do you mean by selection? Selection is the process of choosing the most suitable candidate for those who apply for the job, isn't it? You like, for example, if a vacancy have cropped up, and according to the vacancy, whatever the candidates give the information in their resume, that is their biodata, all the information, according to that the selection process starts. And there are many steps involved in the selection process. Okay. Now, what are the first? Let us see the steps which are there. You have the preliminary interview. It is just the starting. Okay, here the individual's academic qualification, skills, family background, their interest, everything is taken out, and whether that candidate is suitable for that very post or not, that is there. And then the segregation is done, the best one is taken out of it. Then once the individual qualifies the preliminary rounds, he has to fill certain applications, which age, qualification, experience, all the information which the organization needs about him given in that. Then you have once the application is received, then you have the screening. There is a screening committee, they all are sitting there for an interview, and these shortlisted people, they are asked questions on that from them. They shoot questions related to their job, related to their qualification, okay. And then they are called for this interview. After that, once they have been approved by the screening committee, then you have employment test. In this, they have many types of tests, which we'll be doing it in the next class, okay, about the different types of selection tests they have to go through. Then the employment interview, the main session, once he passes all the tests, he gets the accurate picture. The organization also get the accurate picture about the candidate who has come here, whether he is suitable for the job or not, okay. And then also the briefing of certain organization policy. Now because he's been selected, the organization, how it works, everything, the good information is being given point of stage, okay. Then they have any reference through whom, authenticity, like for example, whether which organization they have previously worked, what were their, what they were doing it, any institution if they belong to. So all details, every contact numbers and all are being conducted at that time, okay. After the reference detail, if that has been done, the next very important is medical examination, whether that person is fit or not, he has any problems, any diseases, before the final selection stage. All this medical process, usually for government job, it is very important. And then last is the final selection test. The candidates who qualify for all the rounds of the selection process is given the appointment letter to the form, okay. And it's a lengthy process, but these are the several stages which the candidate has to pass through.